Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the EAFC26 input delay or lag with the controller. First, you need a compatible controller such as Xbox, PlayStation, or PC. Make sure the controller drivers or firmware are updated. Next, you have a stable internet connection if you are playing online. Then, ensure the latest version of EAFC26 is installed. To fix the input delay, use a wired connection for your controller instead of Bluetooth to reduce latency. Then, close background apps that may consume CPU or bandwidth. In-game, lower graphics settings to reduce system load. Next, enable game mode in Windows and disable background recording or overlays. The wireless interference can cause lag, so keep your controller close to the PC or console. Input delay may also come from server lag. Test offline matches to compare. Now, update your console or PC drivers and controller firmware regularly. If issues persist, try another USB port or a different cable to rule out hardware faults. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.